Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a black Honda Zooomer 2008 with only 9,000 kilometers on it. Really good condition. Front tyre is absolutely brand new. And if I can show you the sticker on it, you can see it up there maybe, but front mudguard very good. Little mark here at the front. Front headlamps are perfect. Plastics at the front very good. Black is usually the most sought after colour in these bikes. Front alloy is good as well as the front forks. No real marks around the footwell area. As you can see, Zooomer sticker is good on this right hand side. Seat is good. One key with her, 9,705 kilometers as I said, sorry. Honda original seat, perfect condition. Exhaust, no rusting or anything like that. Rear mudguard, all very good. 2008 bike. Rear indicators and rear brake light are original and good as well. Left hand side Zooomer sticker has a few marks on her. Kickstart and electric start. Original airbox, original rear shock. Footwell area again, very good. And the plastics at the front good as well. So that's it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to me riding the bike so you can see what she's like out on the road.
Alright, we're away on the 2008 black Honda Zooomer. This one's going to be used for the example of all the kind of black Zoomers that we have, because we do have about 9 of them. There's no point in me doing 9 separate ride along videos for each one of them, because they're all going to be basically the same. They're the same bike. None of the black ones have any major modifications done to them, so they're all pretty standard. Any engine modifications anyway, that is. But yeah, no, she's riding nice and clean. Oh, is she gonna step out in front of us? No. Good. So moving along now, we're going uphill. We're doing 40 kilometers an hour, which is uphill you can kind of expect 40, 45, and then downhill you're going to be doing around 60 kilometers an hour, which is kind of the standard for these little Zoomers. Geez, the birds. And finally we actually got a decent day. The the weather has been absolutely horrific here in November. If you're in Ireland 2019, I think this is the worst November I've seen in a very long time. I haven't seen a worse November anyway in all my 23 years of being on this planet. It's just been horrendous. So here we go, downhill we are. I hear a bit of flapping at the front here. It's because the new stickers on the tyres itself. But yeah, no, look, we're tipping along very nicely. The brakes work very nicely, front and rear. All that, I'll go up here, turn in left, and show you, just step off it and show you what it's like ticking over. And we're just going to go in here now, where this guy's crossing the road. So you might have to let him go in and just go around him. So I'll just get off here, and my mic's gone right up to my mouth now, so if you hear it a bit too loud, then I apologise. I'll try to move that now. And just move it here. That's the Honda Zooomer in black. That's what they kind of look like on the road. This is what you can kind of expect with the lights and how they look at the front. I'll turn on the indicators for you so you can see what they're like, front and rear, as we go around. Really nice looking little scooter, I think. I personally rode one to college and back every day for a full year and never had any major problems. Only problems I had were things I did myself, like run out of petrol. So as long as you're not a fool like me, you'll do well. And then at the rear then again, oh, there you are. So you'll see by the number plate 08D 129925, so you know if this is the exact bike. But that's it really. That's how Zoomers ride. They do Oh, why did I turn it off? They do about 45 uphill, 60 downhill. That's as a standard. You can start going mad on them. People start putting 150cc engines in them, which we actually have a video of on our YouTube channel if you want to check that out. I might leave it in the description below, or maybe in a card up the top right here, that you can click on and have a look at. Well, that's kind of been the video. If this video has helped you on your buying decision whether you're going to buy it or not, please do leave a like. Also comment down below if I haven't answered any of your questions, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.